everyone, I'm Carly from Cutting Room Creative in Nanaimo, British Columbia, Canada. I'm here to show you some low lighting techniques with KMS STYLECOLOR. So for my low lighting technique, I'm going to use the Inked Blue in the STYLECOLOR as well as our Dusty Blonde. So just dropping my sections down now so that we have our blonde veil going over our low lighting section. You can use the playable texture to just add a little bit more grit to that top layer of hair just before I spray on our Dusty Blonde to finish. To finish my look, I have the KMS working spray. Just like that, low lights and a fresh root color touch-up.